You guys, I've always wanted to make this backless dress, but the tutorials I kept seeing was the fold on bias and cut on bias method, and honestly, it just looked way too stressful for me. I'm not even going to lie. And me, I don't like stress. I like simple things. So I figured out an easier way to create the dress, and today I'm going to share it with you. So if you're interested, grab your fabric, grab your sewing machine, and let's get into the video. Okay, so to begin, I have 2 yards of fabric here, 2 yards here, and they're both on fold. So this is the folded area here, and this side is on fold, and then the opening is here. So the first thing I'm going to do is on this edge, I'll go inward by 8 inches. Now from this other side, I'll come down by 5 inches. I'll also come down by 5 inches here. After that is done, I'll connect the points together. Now I came down 5 inches because I'm tall and I wanted the back of my dress to be deep, like to be very low. So if you're not that tall, please use like 2 inches, 2.5, but don't go below 5 inches. Don't use 6 inches, don't use 7 inches. You can use 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, right? Because that back gets really low. So after doing this, I'm going to cut it out. What I'm going to do now is take the front piece and open it up. So this is the right side. I'll take the back piece and place them right sides together. I'll go ahead and take this to my sewing machine and I'll stitch along the sides. I'm done sewing the sides and here is the front of the dress. So now the back of the dress here, this waist area, I'm going to fold it like so. And as I fold, I'm going to be leaving like a casing, like a space in the middle so my elastic band can pass through. After pinning it down, I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and run a stitch. After folding the back of the dress, I'm going to attach my bias to the armhole area. Now moving on to the neck area, as you can see I've biased the side, so I'm going to fold it down like this, making a casing so I can pass my rope. I have here the piece that I'm going to use for my rope, so I fold it right sides together and stitch it down. Now I'll take my rope and I'll insert it into the hole that I created on the neckline. I'm also going to insert the elastic band through this hole for the back of the dress. After inserting the band, I'll go ahead and hem the bottom of the dress, and that's it. My simple backless dress is complete. I hope you enjoyed this easy method as much as I did. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see how yours turn out. And of course, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also share this with anyone who loves stress-free sewing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.